Hey guys, I'm Sebastian.
I'm Christine.
And this is Ninth Island Connection. But you know that already because you landed on this video. You're interested in Vegas. Go ahead and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you're already subscribed, thank you guys so much for your continued support. We appreciate it. Also, check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. That's right. We have a TV show that airs throughout the country. It's all about Vegas. So if you want to see that, check out the description or go to our website, ninthislandconnection.com.
All right, guys, in this video, we are talking about the luck of the draw rooms. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Should you just book your regular room that you can know what you're going to get? Or do you start gambling before you get to Vegas and let the hotel pick the room for you? Well, we were intrigued by this concept. Normally, we pick our room. This was never even a thing that we were able to do.
Recently.
Yeah. So we thought, hey, it's slower, right? Tourism is down.
Yep.
August is a slower month in general. With our Diamond Plus status combined in there, maybe we're going to get some really cool rooms. So in this video, we're going to show you what we got in the 3 rooms that we stayed at Paris, Horseshoe, and Planet Hollywood. So let's get to it.
For our first luck of the draw, we're staying at Paris. We checked in on a Sunday. We stayed 2 nights, Sunday and Monday. Typically, Sunday and Mondays are a little bit slower, but it was actually busier than we expected because of the convention. Now, we thought that with us being Diamond Plus and with the luck of the draw, as well as it being a Sunday, we would definitely get an upgrade, but we wound up with a standard room. One thing I have to say though is that Paris rooms, even the standard ones like this one, are overall really nice. But again, if this was a standard room, and we did have a nice view. Being that this luck of the draw was new, and this was our first time, again, along with our status, we thought for sure we'd get an upgrade. But you know what? We still had a great time. We enjoyed the room and we had a great time on the strip as always.
So our second week using the luck of the draw room was over at Horseshoe. This time we were checking in on a Monday and staying Monday and Tuesday nights. And we got a standard room just like we did when we stayed at Paris. Now we were staying on a Monday and a Tuesday, which are typically slower days. However, it was a 10 times tier credit multiplier, so that could be possibly why we didn't get an upgrade. The casinos were a lot busier, including Horseshoe, and so maybe there were more people staying, as well as some high rollers who they were saving those big upgrade cool rooms for. But whatever, the room was clean, it was comfortable, and really we don't spend a lot of time in the rooms, so it was fine for us. But again, we just were kind of hopeful that we would have got something a little bit more exciting. I guess our upgrade could be that we had this strip view instead of having a side view.
Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection. For our third luck of the draw, we checked into Planet Hollywood. Now, after ending up 2 weeks in a row, 2 luck of the draws that were just basic rooms, our expectations at Planet Hollywood were not very high at all. But we definitely did feel like we'd get something nice because even the standard rooms at Planet Hollywood are really nice. All right, so we ended up on the 51st floor, which is the top floor. So we thought we were getting a penthouse. Obviously, you can see right here, this is not a penthouse. This is what we referred to as the Bruce Willis suite because there was memorabilia all over the room, including a pair of Sylvester Stallone's boots from the movie Daylight. All in all, though, this was a really nice room, and we were pleasantly surprised. We really had no idea that they still had rooms like this at Planet Hollywood, which actually added to the experience, and we really enjoyed it. And maybe we got this room because I did ask the person at registration about the luck of the draw rooms, and just asked them if they're actually just basic rooms. Because when you book it, it is a little bit misleading. It says, leave it to chance. You could get an upgrade, you could get that. And hotel occupancy right now in Vegas is hovering around 75%, which is why our expectations at the first two properties were so high. I do have to say that of the three rooms, the three luck of the draws, this one really felt like the luck of the draw because it was something very different. Again, it's not a suite, it's not a penthouse, the view was fantastic, and this kind of like 90s nostalgia was a lot of fun.
Well, there you have it, guys. That was our experience 3 weeks in a row trying the luck of the draw with Caesars Properties. Well, initially we're kind of disappointed. This room at Planet Hollywood really redeemed the luck of the draw in our eyes, and we would totally do this again just to see what kind of fun, unique rooms that we could end up with. Since it's just the two of us, it's really not a big deal what type of room that we get, but if you are traveling with a group, this may be something to avoid because you don't want to cram everybody into one bed. And we'll put the full room tours in the description for all three of these rooms. And of course, we want to hear from you guys. Have you tried the luck of the draw room before? What did you guys get? Let us know in the comments. Would you try the luck of the draw? Let us know. And please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.
Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.